Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're tired of wasting hours of time by crafting your own ebook from scratch, or you brought those flashy PLR bundles that promises the world but delivers low quality garbage, then this video is exactly where you need to be. In today's video, I'm going to show you what Limitless Lab really offers, the good, the bad, and the unexpected details that most people just skip over. I'll also cover who's this perfect for, where it falls short, and at the end, I'll reveal 5 amazing bonus you get absolutely free when you grab this through my link in the description. Let's start with a quick overview, then we'll go into pros and cons and finish with the live product review, ratings, bonus, and everything. So, what is Limitless Lab? Limitless Lab is a complete PLR bundle that gives you hundreds of ready to sell self help ebooks, professionally designed logo templates, and a fully commercial license so you can sell or rebrand the content, and lifetime access with no monthly fees. What's great is this is not just some text dump, it's structured, clean, editable content that taps into the hottest online niche, which is self help and personal development. You can upload these to your website, Etsy shop, Gumroad, Shopify, or any marketplace and start earning 100% profit immediately. Pros and cons. For pros, what it does right. First one, PLR with purpose. These are in junk files. The ebook are modern, high quality, and aligned with current personal development trends like goal setting, mindfulness, productivity, and mindset. Then full commercial use. You get unrestricted PLR, rebrand it, sell it, or even turn it into a course. It's all yours to keep, and there is no loyalty fees. And the third pro, built for digital marketers, perfect for freelancers, coaches, or in info product sellers. You get full branding freedom. You can add your name, change the cover, and build your brand as fast as possible. Then last one is one-time price and lifetime value. Pay once and you can use it forever. It's a digital empire in a box and ready to scale. Now let's talk about two cons. Just to be fair, designed are not ultra pro max. So while the logos are good, they aren't award winning. They are useful for and need some manual upload. You have to upload and manage these files on your own platform. There is no auto integration and system automation. That said, there are no real deal breakers, just a few manageable trade-offs. Okay, let me show some preview and live demo. Here what you actually get in this Limitless Lab. Ratings and final verdict. After testing it thoroughly, here is my final rating. Bundle quality, I'm giving 4 out of 5. Price, I'm giving 4 out of 5. And value for money, I'm giving 4 out of 5. And content quality, I'm giving 4 out of 5. It's not a brainer. If you want to skip content creation, hell, and start earning from digital product fast, now as promised, this is the perfect suit product for you. If you grab Limitless Lab through my link, I'm giving you 5 powerful bonuses for free. First one, 100 plus free templates for video editing, then viral video script formulas. The third one is ready to use AI video creation script, and the fourth one is AI automation blueprint ebook, and the final one is a bundle of cartoon plus animation video asset. These bonuses alone could save you weeks of work. Just grab the product through my link and you get the instant access to all these bonuses. That's it for this review, guys. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe and hit the bell icon because I drop bonus tips and hacks on my YouTube shorts from the upcoming weeks. and that won't want to miss. And have a question about Limitless Lab, drop a comment. I reply to everyone and help you figure it out the best setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.